times, you know.
Your time frame?
Yeah, so like 15 minutes, 30 minutes, things like that I look at. And sort of sometimes react off of those, and 5 minutes, you know. Do you know what I mean?
No, I don't know what you mean.
Like, the lower time frames are noisier. They're noisier, aren't they? They give you all sorts of ideas.
Yeah, they do, yeah. You know. Yeah, they make your brain think it's going one way and then it's going the other, yeah. So, try to,
zoom out.
No, I lately I prefer to look like higher time frame.
1 hour.
Yeah, 1 hour. When you see like engulfing candles in the 1 hour, that's nice.
Oh yeah, yeah.
You know, it gives you a better context, better, less noise.
Yeah. Wait.
Gold's looking ugly at the moment.
It's there.
S&P500's moving up.
Yeah.
Are you looking at night? Oh no, you don't look at night. I'm sorry.
But we are going to wait at least the 15 minutes to know.
Oh yes.
Like, but I'm gonna change the workspace. I don't like this one.
Understood.
This one is my favorite.
Yeah, there's many things.
I do better with black screens.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, me too. The problem is when you have indicators and you can't necessarily see that well what they're showing you, you know, like some areas. I mean, you just have to change the colours, don't you? But
the indicators?
So when you have a dark screen.
Yeah, like the indicators, they...
Yeah.
Okay, now, this is the zone where I think it could reject, if it's going to reject. This like is this imbalance, like a set side imbalance here? Let's see. Otherwise, if it accepts above here, then I expect rotation towards this zone, right? But at least it's good to look at this thing. Like maybe if like you don't want to take a trade, it's too late, but it's good to, when we are trading a different asset, I find it's good to know it first, right? Boom, gold. Who is in? Are you guys in?
No.
Someone?
I'm not in fine, no.
No one dared.
No.
I was in trades before, but... this is golden.
Yeah. But where to? This, honestly, right there, is it not in a range?
Adrian said it could go up to 540. There's an order block up there. So
yeah, I like 540.
Like a large one.
We know that we have unfinished action, actually, guys. So I think we're gonna hit TP1 in our gold buys. Now, maybe that gives us a rejection because it's gonna sweep. That is a London high, I think, right?
London high. Yeah, I've got 514 or 515. London high.
Go.
Or is it baiting to come back down? That's the question.
Hi, Simon. Simon is here. Hello, Simon.
Hi, Simon.
Maybe he's late. Maybe he's at home. Ah, no, but in Europe it's on. How are you?
Hello, it's Fran. Hi, Fran, everyone. Hello.
How are you?
Hey, Sam.
I'm good. This is the first time I've been able to join you where I'm not working.
Finally.
Finished work.
That's good.
Finally.
Where are you?
I'm at home. I'm at home. So,
you are
in the UK, yeah.
In the UK, okay.
Yeah, in the UK.
That's nice.
And I've got 2 buys running from this morning.
Oh, nice.
Which I got in at 44.70, so a couple of hours before your signal.
But
I was up a bit earlier in the day than you because of where you are.
But you mean now in London session you got in? Or
yeah, so pre-London. What time did I get in? So,
oh, that's good. That's good. Yeah, because it was like the perfect retest this morning.
I've got this indicator that looks at, it's a bit like the RSI and other things mixed in with it.
Oh.
But I saw on the daily all week it's been rebounding. It's been going up.
Oh, nice.
And I thought I don't use a daily indicator for that, but I knew generally it looked like it was going to be heading up. So as soon as I saw a bit of lower time confirmation, I was in. So,
oh, nice. That's good. Yeah, that's the way we have to do it. And also that when we have such a big 1 hour, 4 hour candle, like for me that was like a little confirmation, right?
Yeah. Absolutely. It was a 4-hour candle that I saw today. It went straight through my resistance area that I'd marked up, and it was sitting quite happily on top of that, and I thought, yep, that's definitely going up.
And you book good profits. You think we are still going up?
Well, it's only a profit when I close it, so it's keeping it open.
Yeah, it's good to have more than one entry or to leave some runners. I always regret when I put too less size in my, and I always regret
yes, absolutely. My problem is my live account's quite small, so I can't really go for large lots that I can close partials on.
But this CFD?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, it happens. But that is like you can put 0.0 something and then you split it.
Yeah.
Or some
absolutely.
0.01.
Yeah, you can do 0.01 on it. Yeah.
That's the good thing about CFD.
Yeah, that's good, yeah.
In a few weeks, I've got some more money coming in. I'm going to make a larger account and I'll be able to do a bit more, taking partials and things.
Good. Yeah, the most important is to keep the risk management like strict.
Yes.
If you can handle a small account, then you can handle a large account. But you have like a very good how to say, a setup for your risk management, right? You showed me one time.
Yes.
That's good. He has a very nice. You made your own risk management like
I did.
bot.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, it's for MetaTrader 5. It sits on top of MetaTrader, and it allows you to click a button to do buy and selling, or even you can do a buy stop or sell stop, and it will trigger when price closes above a certain area, not just when it touches it.
Yeah.
So if you're looking at a candle, like a 1 hour candle, and if the next 1 hour candle closes above a certain area, you can set a level, and the EA will only trigger once the price closes above that level. It will ignore wicks.
Okay. That sounds nice. Yeah, because risk management is the most important part.
It is, yeah.
Hands down.
When will you be home then, Fran?
I am going to be home in the 17th. So you will have me for the London session.
Oh, brilliant.
Yeah. I'm happy. I'm ready to go back home.
It's been a long time, isn't it?
Yep.
All that yoga.
Huh? What?
All that yoga.
Yeah. It has been a long time. But also I was coming to Chile because I wanted to see my family after Asia. So then I spent 2.5 months here in Chile, and it was good. I don't know what I did something with I was changing the colors. I need to put the candle. Candle. candle border, this one. I like this. Okay. Okay, look. We are getting cells here. They are trying to push it. But sometimes these sellers, they get absorbed, so we have to look. Always the first 15 minutes is the trap.
Yep.
But I find it's so good to have like a game plan. It helps me so much. When I didn't have a game plan before, like it was not such a good performance. Like when you have, otherwise you click buttons and you think, oh, it's going up, it's going, like you FOMO. Or at least it happened to me like that. If I didn't have like a plan, I didn't know what's happening.
Yeah, well, you're gambling more, I guess.
So how is the 4 hour? Well, the 4 hour looks, but I think until like the S&P 500 doesn't lose this zone, then it's still looking like it's higher, it's coming higher. But I don't know. In the 1 hour, it looks like a consolidation for another drop. Still gold going up. Come on, take profit one. Now I know which music they don't ban me from YouTube. Some songs they don't have copyrights. Yeah, there it goes, gold buyers. We won. TP1. Nice.
Very nice.
I think we hit TP1, right? Yeah.
Yes.
I mean, almost. It's not weakening yet the London high. But you know, I don't read anymore the chat, guys, because it confused me when I know too much opinions. Everybody's selling, buying, selling. Like I don't have the mind for that. I mean, in the other community, I don't read so much the chat, because we have all the time the two sides, you know. And if I am paying too much attention to all the opinions, then it confuses me. That's why I keep to my analysis. Where are we going? 4,540. It's looking strong, though.
That would be a good area.
It's looking very strong.
Yeah.
And the S&P looks weak, but because I think what this the news about the tariff is not good for equities. I sent it last night, right? Did you read? It's this one about the U.S. announces new tariffs over forced labor concerns. And that's what also is lifting gold. Also that the Lebanon, Israel thing. The dollar is dropping, yields so. Crude oil.
Hey, Fran.
Hi.
Hey, I'm just looking at the Nasdaq and the SP500. I can see an S&P on the 30-minute chart.
In the 30-minute? You wanna look S&P?
Yeah.
O sea, Nasdaq.
Yeah, Nasdaq and SP500. For short, I think.
1 sec.
But it's swept the lows in the 1 hour chart, so I'm just not really sure if it will go further down.
Yeah, I saw that there was a sweep in the 1 hour, but only the S&P, right? This was like a swing failure pattern too, I think. This is. If this candle closes above here, so it looks kind of bullish. But like I think we have to wait. But I think it's going up. It looks strong.
Yeah, what I was trying to say is that on S&P 500 there's a high, whereas in Nasdaq is a low. In the 30-minute chart.
This one, yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
So yeah, I look at this divergence. It looks, yeah. So we have, but look at this candle with volume, a lot of volume here in the Nasdaq. Where is the divergence here? So this is 8 at 7:30. 7:30, both sweeps the low.
Look at gold, Jesus.
Okay. Yeah, but I'm gonna look. There it goes. Let's wait for the breakout. If it breaks this zone, we get in buys. And next target will be 7,580. Okay, I'm gonna get in a buy in the S&P 500. And this is gonna be 45, 36, 34, 52. Wait. That something is not right. No, not yet. Yeah, but I see that there is a little bit of absorption of sellers. Yeah, I'm getting in a buy, and this zone should hold 7,535, okay? And the stop loss is below the London low. I'm gonna put a mini because my contracts are. I'm going with 2 lots.
Quick getting
order filled.
Takes off without it.
Ah?
It was going to take off without
Order
it.
placed.
Yeah. I have to send it to the group because sometimes I think Hardig is not 7,500. 7,555, 7,500, 7,540, stop loss below London low. 7,580 TP, and then all-time high. Well, I have one indicator which is so good, but I had it from another person and it's a private indicator. And I don't know how to copy that indicator because I want to share it with you guys.
What's the indicator on?
It's about a volume. But
no,
you
but
get.
Is it in TradingView?
Yeah, in TradingView.
Yeah, you should be able to copy the Pine script for it. The language it's used to create it.
But the problem is that some scripts are private.
Yeah, you can click on the indicator and see if it shows view script, and if it's hidden, that's grayed out, then it's a private script. But it's worth looking.
I saw it with you, Simon. I think, and it's a private indicator. Yeah, it says it has source code and it's private. Yeah, that's the problem. Probably my buy on gold. Yeah, but it's good because it tells you in the candles where is the point of control.
Order filled.
Ah, yeah, my gold got stopped out. But if we get like a rebound from 4,480, then it's okay. So this indicator I was saying, it shows you where is the point of control inside the candle. And also if the point of control is at the wick, then you know that there are like trap buyers and sellers, for example. It's good.
That probably wouldn't be too hard to program.
I don't know how this guy did it. It's a little bit.
What's the indicator called?
It's private. High
You
volume.
said AI to do it.
It's high volume bars.
Is it loaded on the screen now then?
No, I have it in another screen.
Okay.
All right, let me see. This one. There. You see this blue candle? It shows you where is the point of control. What I want to see is that the point of control is inside the candle. I don't want to see a wick. Like for example, yesterday the New York Open, it opened with a bearish candle and the point of control was inside. And then here yesterday, well, this one, yeah, this also is New York session. It had the point of control. I think it works probably better for Bitcoin because it was made for crypto. But for example, this candle, a bullish candle, it has the point of control at the wick low. So that is actually good. Because you see buyers are at the wick at the lows, right?
Yeah, so they'll be protecting it.
Yeah, for Bitcoin it is good. This one, let's see. Poor Bitcoin. I hope it recovers. But yeah, yesterday there were a lot of trap sellers here. Last night, or when was this? Ah, no, that's not true. Here we saw. Look, probably it rebounds from there, because in this candle, the buyers came at the lows, so that is actually good. And for me, this pattern, it looks very bullish. It looks like it could revert from here, I hope. Yoo-hoo, S&P 500 buyers, who is in?
Yep, I'm in.
Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Okay, let's go. Point of control inside. And now we want to see acceptance above this zone, right? Here. We don't want to have a rejection of this. And the value area low from yesterday is also that one. So we want to see acceptance above. Hey, let's go. Protect your entries. Boom. How much are we ago?
I'm on CFDs, I'm not on futures, so...
Let's go. We need acceptance above
nearly 10
7,500.
points on it.
Nice.
10 points now.
Today is a good day.
That's it.
Thank God. Now, what I want to see is that this imbalance is being accepted also. But I like that here there were like trap sellers at the beginning of the session. That's also good. I want to see acceptance above this. If accepts above this, then it's good. Otherwise, we are not so good. Smash it. Just that yesterday we had like those equal highs at the top. So that's why we are targeting those highs here. So guys, I'm going to send you a link for later for the videos that we are going to learn how to use that software. So I'm going to send you some links later. But it's gonna be a special class for the mentoring, okay?
Sounds good.
What time is it? Well, at 10 it always comes also another. If you want to protect your entries, feel free to do it. Because, like we saw already, we need acceptance above this zone and this one. But the DAX was green.
These DAX, yes it is. Green or what? Top 1%.
Blackstone caps withdrawals from flash with private credit fund. What does that mean?
Don't know.
Anthropic. Yeah, now it's coming to Wall Street. Anthropic. Trump, Empire of Debt. I think Financial Times also don't like Trump. Foreign investment. Now we need patience. Yeah, that's the point. That price needs acceptance about this.
I got taken out. I went to break even. I did take a partial though.
You did?
Yeah.
No, that's good. I'm gonna wait. But I want acceptance about this.
And US 30 is just pumping.
Really? Well, that's nice.
Oh man, it's going through the roof.
And why is pumping so much?
Don't know.
US 30.
And
Wow, that's insane. What are we doing with the S&P then? We're wasting the time. That's nice.
No, you don't want to trade
moves.
that. That's,
It moves.
US 30 is dangerous.
It's wild.
It is. Yeah, no, it's very dangerous, man.
Look,
S&P's much calmer.
Ah, yeah, I see. It swept like those lows, but then it respected that one. Wow, that's nuts. But we like.
Yeah, if you can work out. If you can work out the way the US 30 works, mate, you've made it. Yeah.
Yeah. Wow, it's very volatile.
Yes.
That's why these guys, they make billionaires with trading the Dow Jones. Like Paul Tudor Jones, I think he was shorting the Dow Jones for the 87 crash. But at least I think that when the Dow Jones pumps, that's also good for the other equities.
Yeah, generally when the New York Stock Exchange opens, Nasdaq and US 30, they don't go the same way. But I think like around about 10 o'clock they will. Yeah, but they're not going the same way today though.
Right, I'll leave you to it. Nice talking. I've got stuff to do now, so.
Take care, Simon.
Okay, see you, Simon.
Good luck, all.
Thank you. You too.
Same to you.
Greetings.
Thanks, Simon.
Wow. I don't even know if I have the Dow Jones here in this.
I'd stay away from it.
Really? Yeah, I know.
It is dangerous. Especially the first half an hour is...
Really? Wow.
Yeah.
Energies I have here: oil, gas, equities,
Yeah, it should be there.
Nikkei, BS stocks. What is that? Russell 200.
Yeah, you got it there, mini sized out. You've got it there. I can see it.
There it is.
Yeah. Well, you got one smaller than that too. So.
Smaller?
Yeah, go down a bit. Go down. Scroll down.
Nano?
Go down a more. Yeah, a little bit more.
Ah, mini size. Oh, that's nice.
Yes. That's
so
fine.
that's $5 the tick. Probably.
Yeah, instead of... Yeah, Fran, if you can work out how to trade US30, you're set.
Can you imagine? Now I'm scared after you said that it's wild. But for example, if you trade like our usual setup, which will mean like sweeping the lows, for example, of previous sessions. When was this? 1st of June, right? It went all the way to the monthly opening, and then you got like, what time was this? This was yesterday, and this morning started already pumping like nuts, right?
Yeah.
So we got the inverted fair value gaps after sweeping the lows, which is bullish. And
it moves so fast, like.
Yeah, I see. It has more liquidity than the other ones, right? What is bigger? I think
it's very it's thin. It's very thin liquidity. It's just very volatile. So.
Okay, I want that this thing goes. It should come. Wow, and the gold is dropping. Hardik, you should have moved stop loss to break even, right? Because after take profit 1, we always move stop loss to break even. And if 4,480 or 4,460 rebounds, that's also a good buying opportunity for gold, I think. I mean, it's normal that makes a little rebound. And so the weekly VWAP and the monthly VWAP is 4,482. Yeah, wild. Thank you for showing me. I like volatility. That's why we were doing so good at the beginning of the year with gold, which was crazy volatile. S&P 500, the 4-hour just opened. It's now at 10. That's why probably the 10 at 10 is a little... Let's go. But the take profit yesterday was perfect. I am happy when I see that it reacts to the game plan. Let's go! I want that we finish work early today. Yeah, and gold is rebounding from. I want. The 1 hour doesn't have to close below 4,491 in gold, I think, because otherwise it could be a swing failure pattern, but bearish. There it goes. Last night, I was trading gold, and some people took the buy from YouTube. That was nice. I was happy to see. Hello, Nico. The Shark Zone, work it out. Just hold the swing. Which swing? Hello, Francisca. Nirol. Francisca, Iran and the USA should make a peace deal before the World Cup starts. Gold is going up. Could be. So, Shark said that 7,550 was selling, right? And yesterday, the Shark Zone also worked it out. I mean, not yesterday, this morning. So if we get...
Which side?
He said that from here, gold was going up.
Okay.
Like, I think yesterday, he said that. But I think that now, if gold can find support here, that's also good. Aye. Yeah, like here, which is the value area high. That would be nice. A rebound from that zone. But we are not trading gold, we are trading S&P 500, which belongs to the New York session. That's what ChatGPT told me. That would be a nice if we go all the way up to all-time high. Next month is a Anthropic and a SpaceX coming into Wall Street. You see that there is absorption of sellers because they are trying to push the price down, but it's not having a follow through. And some buying imbalances are here, so that's also good. And I'm learning, I think today I have a meeting in 45 minutes when one guy which is making another thing I want to learn. Is it gold rebounding finally? What I like it is that we have like these sellers being absorbed here, unable to dump the price. And buyers well positioned here. With RP you were selling? No, RP was here in the chat, I think. Is listening, unable to speak. Maybe you left the meeting and then you join again. But now you are on.
Yeah, I had some internet issues over here. Sorry.
That's cool. I hope you book your profit.
Sorry?
Hopefully you book some good profit.
Oh yeah. In the morning, yes, but then right now it was the break even.
Okay. I see that actually London session gives like good opportunities for the S&P.
Yeah, that's what I noticed today. Yeah, I haven't traded S&P on Nasdaq in a long time. But after you mentioned the other day, I was like a bit keen to get on it.
I find it's kind of like easier than gold sometimes, or it moves better with more volume than gold, especially in the New Year session. Like Asian session is good for gold, but London I like more. O sea, New York I'm liking to trade this.
Well, yeah, the S&P 500 has a lot of liquidity on both sides, buyers and sellers, so it's very thick. You'd probably see it if you opened up a dome, but yeah, so compared to US 30, yeah, it's much thicker. So it moves safer, yeah.
At least the zone is support. This zone is being is holding. That's what I like. That we got the reaction from the point of control here. And that is good because we know our laws, right? The rules we have is that if we give some reaction, the point of control, then it's probably going to reject. If we get acceptance above here, which was previous support, then it's also good. Let's go. Did you get in again, Jimmy?
No, I didn't.
Oh. Well, I guess for us it's gonna be easier when we are trading together the London session. Right?
I'm telling you, London doesn't move that much. Right?
Yeah, but we are prepared at least.
Yeah, true.
Or it was better when I was in Thailand.
Yeah, when you're in Thailand, it was good.
That was so fun.
You could do Asia and you couldn't do US though, eh?
A little bit sometimes, but my boyfriend helped me to go to bed early because otherwise I stay up too late. And he's so
Because I
disciplined.
think Thailand's 2 hours behind me, so yeah, you could do US easy.
Yeah. It was good. I remember around 10 a.m. we always got like a trade. It looks good. Who is in S&P 500, guys? Yahoo! Yahoo!
Congratulations, all of you who are in. No, I'm not. I'm just. I'm
Look
in gold still, so. I'm just
that's
watching
good.
it.
Then you have your
Where
your
did you get
trade.
in? Where you in
Just
gold
from
cells
the
from?
top, actually. It was a bit trial and error, and then I got this sort of. I think my best entry is. Hang on a second. I got
So what did you get in?
featured.
Like
Say again,
512,
please.
514?
Yeah, about no, not that good actually. Hold on.
Okay.
Hang on. CFDs was like about 45.10.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, but yeah, it's only a little bit. By this time, I was a bit annoyed because I kept getting taken out.
Nice.
So, yeah, I had a wide stop before, but I didn't expect it to go up that far. But it's fine. It's fine. I don't use massive lot sizes at the moment. I'm just trying to get to the targets on these accounts, and then
It's
when
better.
the real work starts.
It's better to have tight stop loss. Otherwise, you get in again. You can get in
Yeah.
again.
Yeah. I'm so tired today. I'm gonna go, guys, because I'm a bit tired. I want to have a little bit of a break.
Have a good night.
No worries.
Yeah.
No,
Catch you later.
catch you
Are you
later,
doing Asia tonight again?
Yeah, tonight for Asian session. I'm gonna be here.
I'll see
Well,
if
it's
I can say
NFP, man. It'll probably just only go sideways, but
I find that before NFP, the Asian session gives a mood, but London session dies.
Yeah, true.
Okay.
But
Yeah,
at
like
least
that,
we can just meet and silly around, be silly,
Yeah.
be silly,
Okay.
silly.
be
All right,
silly.
guys. Take care. See you later.
Alright, see you, dude.
I mean like we can check out the zones and be ready for NFP.
Yeah. Don't worry, we knew what you meant.
There it goes. I like. When I was looking at the high volume candles, I saw that the good there
Damn, you're right again. Well done.
the point of control in this candle was here, so that's good because all the volume was inside the candle.
Very nice. Well done.
Yeah, I like S&P 500. Let's go. It's our new asset for London for New Year's session.
For New York, yeah. So Monday, yes. Tuesday, I'll trade it with you heavier on heavier positions. I only had a small position on, but I got
But if you are, for example, in London session trading, then you can see like our usual strategy, which is like sweeping the lows, and then you look for a reversal, because this happened at what time? 7:30 before New Year's session, right?
Yeah, that's a late London session, yeah.
So if we can get above this zone, then we are on the other side, I think. But those equal highs, they look too good. I think this is a very nice target.
I'm looking at gold here to see if there's any buyers going to come in here, but I don't think there will.
Yeah, I'm also looking.
Looks weak. But yeah, your S&P 500, nice.
So good. At least, if it will be nice if we see that this candle finish green, like the 5 minutes, because then buyers are being rewarded, like sellers are not able to push it low. It's late for you, Jimmy.
The swing failure point in gold, 30 minutes and 15 minutes.
I saw, yeah, bearish, right?
Bearish, yeah.
This one.
And there's a 30-minute fair value gap as well below, so it might.
Here.
Because.
Here, you mean?
The one below your mark is green. In green.
What I saw is the swing failure pattern here in gold, or in the 30-minute, and also in the 1 hour. Yes. But it has to close red. It has to close below this, the 1 hour. So you still have half an hour.
Do you usually look at the 1 hour or 30 minutes?
Both. I like a 1 hour for looking like engulfing candles, and 30 minutes also for more confirmation. But 30 minutes is fine. I think it's the perfect time frame.
Yeah. What I noticed for gold is that if there's what you call breakaway gap for 30 minutes, it also comes down and fills it up and then reverses.
But this is the breakaway gap, or this one?
Yeah. So in this case, this one, the one that you're in, also 4480.
Yeah.
So it might come down, fill it up, and then go back up again.
Yeah, it's true. That makes sense because this fair value gap. It makes sense because this fair value gap is not being tested, right?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
I need another kind of music. It's too noisy.
You guys, gold's moving down?
Yeah.
So where did that fair value gap finish? Was it at 78?
In gold?
Yeah, on that 30-minute gap that RP was talking about.
Yeah, around 78, 79. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
And then, yeah.
Interesting.
And in the 50-minute, the moving averages are opening up nicely, so hopefully it could be bounces from there.
Okay.
But I just saw that the DXY, the sweep, the 1 hour liquidity and heading up, so it might go all the way down gold.
I think if gold makes something like this, then it's good. If it can get above this.
Yeah, well, yeah, that's what I'd like to see. Move like that.
I like the 1 minute. For example, here, when it swept this high, and then it created this bearish fair value gap, that could have been an entry. I mean, I know that some of you got in already, right? And it's how much? 100 pips stop loss.
Wow.
And what is the London low here? London low is this one. 4,460, which is confluent with, yeah, there. And this is the breakaway gap from this morning here.
James, you live in Sydney or somewhere in a different state?
Oh, me? Sorry, you talking to me?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I live in Australia, yeah. I live just south of Sydney.
Okay.
Why, do you live in Australia as well, or?
Yeah, I'm based in Sydney.
Oh, yeah, okay. I used to live in Sydney, yeah, so I actually moved down to Sydney. I moved down the south coast, so,
Oh, okay.
yeah. Where in Sydney are you?
Around Lane Cove, Macquarie Park.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I know exactly where you are. I used to live in Chatswood, so yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, my mum actually still lives up in Chatswood, so I do go up and see her out there, yeah, so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Chatswood's always busy.
Oh man, it's changed so much. I moved out of Sydney 10 years ago, so I went up there 2 weeks ago and it was crazy. So, but Lane Cove's beautiful, man. I used to live in Lane Cove as a kid, so yeah.
Okay.
Wow, a small world. Shit.
I know.
What are you doing up so late as well?
Man, this is the best time to trade, right? Like, during the daytime I work, then look after the kids in the evening, and then when they go to bed, I try to make some extra money.
Yeah.
And also have fun.
Yeah.
Be honest.
Yeah. And pay the tax man.
You like trading is so fun.
It's fun when you're trading with people, but yeah, not when you're by yourself.
Yeah, and not when you lose. That's also not so fun. But I think for people like us, like, I don't know, you have to be very stubborn to to get better in trading, because at the beginning we just lose, and then it's like, then you start seeing progress, and then it gets more fun, right? At least for me, at the beginning was hard. I have no idea, I think. But now the VWAP is holding in gold. This weekly and monthly VWAP.
But we've got to see if that fair value gap gets filled. Still got to come down a bit more. Still. So how long have you been trading for, RP?
Around 5 years.
Okay, nice.
On and off 5 years.
Yeah. Okay, good.
Yeah, I went to multiple what do you call it, coaches and stuff, and then finally ended up with Francis.
Okay, nice.
And after all those 5 years, this is the first time I heard about the volume profile and stuff.
Oh,
so
really?
I'm like, oh man, yeah, like I'm missing out on certain things.
It helps, right?
Yeah,
it does.
Definitely helps. It's like another dimension for you to look at, when you trade and stuff.
Yeah, it gives us so much more context. And that's all we need. So value area high from yesterday is this 4,468.
So Fran, can you load that 30-minute fair value gap up? Just see, because I think it's just filled.
Here.
Oh no, it's still, so it's got to come down further. Shit. Okay.
And the 4 hour, but this is a 4 hour a week. In the best case.
Yeah, but it's like 3.5 hours.
But we know that these highs are unfinished action. This is also unfinished action. I don't know where this one too.
Yeah, because if you look at the DXY chart, you can see the DXY is going up, so I'm not too sure where the gold will bounce from the 30-minute or just go all the way down.
You're right. And also yields are going up too.
Yields are going up. Oil's still heavily negative though, so. But yeah, you're right. like I wouldn't be buying literally if it filled that fair value gap anyway. So I would be looking for some sort of buying strength. So. I've got this guy I trade with in Pakistan, and like the sniper entries he gets,
Oh,
and
nice.
he does like the zones are just insane.
Now you're looking
And
at him?
I'm trying. No, I'm not looking at him now. No.
At what time he trades?
He'd be trading now, and he's got a massive following now. So, but I used to just trade with him. But his zones, he would, like how short does his zones? Like,
Yeah.
This Pakistani guy, he would, they're insane.
Nah,
Like,
that's cool.
The zones are so accurate, yeah. And he would not teach them to me.
He doesn't
That's
share.
all I wanted. I'm like, he would not share it. Yeah.
Easy work that you manipulate the market and then.
I think he. But he's got his own Discord, and it's like they're all Pakistani guys because they're in Pakistan, and mate, they all love him because he does his own so good. So
Oh, cool.
Okay.
he will not show me, and I'm like, just show me.
That gives him the power. That's the problem. That's why he doesn't want to
Yeah, I know.
share.
Yeah.
These guys.
Like Shorp with his zones are so good, so that they don't always work.
If we get a rebound for 4,465 zone, that would be nice. Which is
Here we go. Look, we're getting some movement.
previous day. Yeah, here is good to wait. It just could be another opportunity, right?
I don't know. I reckon if I buy it down here, we'll just keep going down. So. And RP, who do you trade with?
Pepperstone.
Okay, yeah, cool. Yeah, Pepperstone are good.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, they're pretty good. Yeah, big trolls
They're good in Australia, yeah.
and they're governed by ASIC. They're governed by ASIC as well, so which is good.
Yeah.
Vantage is also from Australia, I think.
Oh, okay.
Advantage.
Yeah, I've got a Pepperstone account. I trade with, this one's FXEM, but, yeah, they've been in a bit of trouble with ASIC lately, so.
Have you maximized leverage in the Pepperstone account, or because they came up with a new rule, right? You need to answer a questionnaire in order to move away from the ratio 1 to 100 to 1 to 500.
Yep. And then you got to provide them with documents that you're trading statements that you're a pro trader in order to, get.
So really, I didn't have to do that. I just had to answer a questionnaire.
Oh, did you? Okay, that's alright.
Yeah. But the questionnaire came before ChatGPT, so now if they throw the question out there, you can just get ChatGPT to answer this question for you. The multiple choice question.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I don't think they have evolved with technology.
Do they have a rebate program as well, when you're trading large size, you get rebates at the end of the month? I think they do.
Not really. So when I trade gold, there's no commission for me. I don't know. It's because I don't know whether it's part of being a trader for so long with them, or it's just that's how they do it. There's no commission.
What? Really? You must have a different spread or something.
I don't know. There's no commission, and they said if I get someone to join Pepperstone, they'll give me some discount or something. But then you have to trade big lots, at least more than one lot for gold.
Yeah,
I don't have any friends to dominate, unfortunately.
I'm trying to help you out, but I've already got an account with them.
Oh, good, right. how long have you been trading for?
Oh, a long time, my friend, long time. Since 2007.
Wow, okay.
That's nice.
Not really.
You
Very
have
painful
you
experience.
you have seen a
Very
lot.
painful. Yeah, I've made a lot and I've lost a lot too. So yeah.
I can imagine. No, the market is crazy. It's a dangerous place.
But I stupidly started off with futures. I wish I started on forex, like CFDs.
And why you said that about futures? Because it's more expensive?
Yeah, more expensive. Commissions. Like on my account here, I don't have any commissions either, like RP. But my spreads are not good, so that's the problem with it. But I like how you can just close your position down. Like you can literally, like futures you can't because you got the contracts on. But mind you, like back in 2007, I used to trade the Russell S&P500, but I was doing 10 contracts at a time.
Oh wow!
Like 10 E-minis.
That's huge.
So, yeah.
But you get nervous, right, when you have such a big position, and then it's like the emotions they fuck us, I think.
Yep. Yeah. That was back when I was smoking cigarettes, so I'd smoke nearly a packet a night. Yeah.
Oh my god, poor wife.
Oh no, that was before her time, but yeah. But some nights I was making 20,000 US, or 10,000. Yeah,
nice.
Like, it was crazy.
Wow.
That's a nice. It's like when you at the beginning when you are lucky and you get like good trades.
Yeah, and then I lost it all. Yeah, so,
the same happened to me
yeah.
when I started trading. It's like when Bitcoin was very cheap. And I start buying, and then I was doing like $500 a day, and then I said, "Oh wow, this is crazy! Like I could live from this." And then I never. And then of course I lost it. It was easy, but then you realize that is when you are lucky, then it's not yours.
Yeah. Like, I had no idea where the money was coming from. Like, people would ask me, like, how are you making all this money? Where's it coming from? And I'm like, I don't know.
Actually, I was going to answer, but then I thought, like, no, I don't want to answer the question.
I'm like, I have no idea where the money comes from. Yeah. I stupidly was showing them statements, and they're like, oh, shit, you're making a ton of money. And then, yeah, I lost everything. So, yeah.
Is it because you get the tax claim when end of the year? You get something out of it, right?
I only could claim back the commission, so on the futures stuff. So yeah. You can at least claim your losses back on the same. Actually, yeah, you can claim your losses on futures too. I did. Hopefully, the Australian government won't change that as well. So I have a feeling they might. So.
Yeah. Sometimes I feel like giving up because of the tax laws and stuff. So.
Yeah.
Which is
or go to a country like Thailand.
Thailand, Singapore. I came from Singapore to be honest. I think 10 years ago. But then those days I didn't know about trading, so I was working for the bank, and I can't trade. So it's all stuff.
Which bank were you working for here?
In Singapore, I was working for Deutsche Bank.
Oh, okay. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
And where do you work for in Sydney? Do you work in a bank or?
No, in a fintech company.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You might know, it's Iris. Yeah.
No, I don't know. Yeah. So what do they do? Is that finance or is it IT or what? Like?
It's an Australian company. So do you do share trading?
No, I don't. I don't do any share trading. No.
Yeah. So if you do ComSec, NetTrade, NZ, or Bell Potters and FP Markets, they're all the sell-side brokers. We give them the software, or we host the software, and then allow people to get ASX, CHAX, NSX, SSX. And connected to Morgan Stanley, Citibank, and all the other institutions as well.
Okay, nice.
prime brokers. Yeah. So
Yeah.
so we just help them to figure out the best way when it comes to best way to set up, connect it to the markets, and then resolve the trade issues and stuff. Yeah.
Okay. Oh wow.
Cool.
And
Yeah, that's it.
he's in deep with it.
Yeah, but I'm the application guy, but I do not trade. So in Singapore, I was supporting the traders, FX traders, when they had issues and stuff with the applications. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's interesting.
And now you're doing it yourself now here.
Yeah.
How do you go to work and you're up at like 1 o'clock in the morning? Because it's only 1 o'clock in the morning.
I don't know. Yeah, I know. And for some reason, I can't sleep. So I had this problem. Yeah. So until 3 in the morning, I can't sleep. But then I take creatine and stuff, so it kind of helps me.
Yeah. Okay. The problem is like when the daylight saving changes, like it's really bad in this country. Like the stock
It takes
exchange.
a while to adjust.
Yeah, it opens at 1:30 in the morning. Like I can't do that. Yeah. So. Oh, she's gone.
Full round trip.
So it filled in the fair value gap there.
Yeah.
S&P's come down as well.
And why? Yeah, we should be stop loss to break even in the S&P.
Wow, small world.
Yeah.
Order placed.
And do you work in the city? Like, do you have to get the train in, or do you?
No. So what I do is, 3 days where you work from home, and then 3 days I go to the office. 2 days, Monday and Friday I work from home. But if you want, you can go to the office. Yeah. So
And where's your office located? Like, do you have to can you drive it? Sorry.
Nah, man, it's expensive.
Okay.
Yeah. So when I was working for Deutsche in Singapore, and I came here for a couple of months to see how it looks like working in Sydney, and then the head of spot trading desk in the Sydney office, he parks his Porsche in the city, and he pays like $100 plus or something per hour. Those days, it's like crazy.
So so when you work, so you have to go into the city, do you?
Yeah. So what I do is like I drive to Lane Co, park the car there, and take the bus, which is like 15 minutes away.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
Or you could get the train from our town's a bit away from here.
No. I think this is easy because I drop the kids in school, and then from there I take the bus.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. I can get the metro from Macquarie Park as well, but then the kids, someone has to drop them off.
I literally live down, like, my old place is down the road from the metro, Macquarie Park there, yeah. That's across from the cemetery, right?
There are two. There's one called North Right. I think
North
that's the one.
Right, sorry, it was North Right. That was the one I was, sorry.
Yeah, the next stop is Macquarie Park and the Macquarie University.
Yeah.
The property over there is quite cheap, the rental, because of the cemetery. Yeah, we tried to go look for an apartment to rent out, right? And then it was a bit spooky because the hall there was like a bit dark and dim lights, brown carpets. Yeah. So I was like, oh man, I can't go through the laundry. Sorry, I can't go through the garbage at night. So you might have to do it every day. So I'm like.
Could be getting a rejection here. There's a big wick on the 1 minute.
In gold?
Gold, yeah.
But I think it's gonna sweep London low now, so that could give something.
Okay.
Where is London? Yeah, London low.
Actually, yeah, you're right.
It
is down low, yeah. You're right.
I mean, it's way better that sweeps London low.
Yeah. Sorry, you're right.
And then
I didn't say that actually.
what? I didn't hear. What did you say?
Sorry, I didn't see the London low there, but yeah, you're right.
Ah, yeah, here in the yellow. Well, you are not looking in YouTube. I guess you're looking in the other one, but here. London low will be a nice sweep, and then could give some push. But yeah, that will be nice. Well, I think before NFP is usual that the volume is not like the biggest. But it
Yeah,
has
no,
to
it goes
reclaim.
sideways.
It has to reclaim this zone. Otherwise, S&P 500. It could stay chopping around this zone, right?
Yeah.
Before NFP could happen.
But yeah, I'm definitely not trading it. I've traded a few times at NFP and I've never made money on those.
It's so crazy. Yeah.
Yeah, I've actually lost I couldn't even tell.
But tomorrow, well, let's look the chart together. Not trade. Probably not. I'm not also gonna enter
So
any
I'm just gonna
trade.
sit here and tie our hands behind us and just sit here and watch it.
Yeah, that's good. Look what's happening in the order flow. Then we can see the trap traders. Because I think
everything will be going so fast.
Yeah. But
Nothing will make sense.
both ways. It goes up and down and down and
Yeah,
like
I
that.
know,
It's
yeah.
like that.
I remember there was one day Adrian, he lost so much money on it. He was going off his head about it. So.
But that's when you kind of predict. I mean, like when people saying like, okay, I think it's gonna happen this, and that for me is like, it's too dangerous to guess, to anticipate the move, right? Now it's with London low.
Yes, it has. And there's a ton of volume in this 1 minute candle here, so this will be interesting here.
Let's go, S&P 500, still going. And I have a meeting in WhatsApp. I will have to remove my camera and give me 1 second because I'm going to learn something new, guys, that I'm going to share with you all, which is very interesting.
Agreed.
I'm happy. Yeah, I like to learn new stuff. Now, actually, I will let you know later, but it's something interesting. I guess that the more we have, look, it rebounded. It swept the London low and it rebounded nicely.
Yeah, I've got a small buy on,
but now it has to reclaim the daily VWAP. Once you reclaim that, then it looks better. But and also reclaiming the weekly VWAP will be even nicer. But I guess that.
What's the order flow looking like here?
In gold, I don't have it because I need to change the template.
Okay. No,
I mean, I will have to change to the order flow. I'm looking the S&P.
No.
Let's go, S&P 500. I'm still in, but I am break even, so I already did my profit for the day in the Asian session. So everything is a gift now. I'm glad I changed my bias this morning because I was like selling, but then it was like something was not right.
I think on Friday it will go and sweep the POC at 4390.
Gold?
Yeah.
Where? Sorry, which POC?
The 4390.
43.
The one right at the bottom, the one we're targeting early this week.
Yeah, could be. Maybe tomorrow, right?
Yeah, tomorrow.
Tomorrow. because tomorrow
Usually
is
last 2-3 Fridays has been crazy moves.
yeah, you're right. Like I remember when I went to the south of Chile, that Friday was the meltdown. I miss it. And
Yes,
then the
yes,
next Friday we got something like a big pump, right? And then what
Yeah.
happened? It has been crazy Fridays here.
So if you look at the monthly chart, right? I don't know, do you have?
And gold?
Yeah, if you look at your monthly chart and look at the week on Friday, 1st of May, that's exactly the 50% of the candle on the 2nd of March. The candle, the bearish candle.
Yeah.
So yeah, and if you over there, the next one. So if you
This
go
one?
to 50, your chart is a bit different. So in my one, the 50% of the week is falls on the 1st of May, and then if you go to the 3-minute chart, I got in from the fair value gap at 3 minutes. It barely touches your one. I don't think it touches.
You will have to show me
so my
your
one
chart.
just-
I don't know what you are looking
Yeah.
at. You can
Yeah, I posted in the channel though.
okay.
Yeah,
I'm gonna look.
I posted in when did I post? Yeah, yeah. Let's see.
Now, when you look at the chart of the S&P 500, it's crazy. Let's go, S&P 500 buyers. Should we hold? Yes. How is the daily? Hide all. Yeah, it still looks kind of weak, right? The gold.
Hard to say.
I mean, if it's when starts reclaiming 4,570, that looks nice though, because that means that this triangle is getting reclaimed. Once it gets above that, I think that would be nice. Then we change to buys, like full, like this, right? Like that. Above that. Okay, S&P 500. Yeah, I think this lot size for me is okay. I don't need more. Otherwise, I get nervous if I put too much of a big size in the S&P 500. No, thank you. I'm gonna have a little call. 1 second.
No worries, all good. That's all right. You can finish up here if you want.
No, I'm good. I'm gonna stay here.
the low on the 1st of June. Yeah, the indicator stops at 61.8.
Okay. How are you guys? I'm back.
Yeah, good.
Good.
How was your meeting?
Good. Very nice. I'm learning something new in July. So we are going to have something.
July?
Yeah. Like some one-to-one classes with like a new information. So I'm going to share it with you once I learn.
Yeah. All good. Yeah.
Good.
Oh,
Yeah.
your S&P's been going well.
Yeah.
No,
Nice.
I
It's
just
holding.
looked at it then.
Now we just have to get inside this zone. And then we are on the other side. On the other side.
I should have held it.
Yeah. You go with too much size or what? Then you don't
No,
hold.
I didn't. I was just... see, like, when you make profit for the day, I hate giving it back in losses. So,
Yeah.
I only did... It was only a small position, and I took a third of it off, and then I put the rest of break even, and I got stopped out. So, it was all good. Still...
Tomorrow.
No, not tomorrow.
True. Tomorrow is NFP. I forgot.
Yeah.
Too dangerous though.
That and FOMC, they are the two days I never trade. So.
But we can see the show. We can see the order flow, and then we are gonna know what's happening behind the scenes.
When you say to your boyfriend, like, we'll spend some time together tomorrow, so I won't watch NFP, like, you know.
What do you mean? Sorry?
You spend time with your boyfriend tomorrow instead of watching NFP. You know?
But my boyfriend is in Switzerland.
Oh, is he? Sorry, I thought he was with you.
No, he's working. We had too much holidays
Okay.
in Asia. That's the point. So we usually do video calls like around in the
Sorry,
evening.
I thought he was with
No,
you.
no, no worries. All good.
Yeah.
That's my heater. The petrol is over. It's so cold in Chile, I cannot live.
What's the temperature like?
I live outside the city, and here it's 18 degrees. But inside my house, it's colder. Inside my house, it's too like, you know, these houses
it
which
was
are
like 13 degrees. Or something. It was like around 13 degrees this morning over here.
There in Australia. Australia is also very cold. I think we have the same.
Yeah, it's freezing down here. Like I've had a wood fire going for 2 days non-stop. So
That's cool.
Your hot water thing, do you have to turn on the switch for it to heat up the water, or?
What? Sorry?
Yeah, you said you need to turn on the hot water switch or something to heat up the water?
Yeah, it takes some time because I am in the second floor of my house, and then it's with this, like, how you call this thing, that the heater.
So, the tank, right?
Yeah, and so it needs some energy to go all the way up to the second floor and make it's not automatic.
Okay.
Like,
I had some kind of similar thing at home over here. So what I did was I got the electrician to come over and then install a smart circuit breaker. So I can use the phone and then use automation to
perfect.
Heat up the water for 2 hours or something before you take showers.
Oh, that's nice.
I don't have to go to
That's what I should do. But
otherwise, yeah, exactly. I was just going to suggest you that, because otherwise I'd come home and then turn on the switch and it's too cold and then it takes 2 hours to shower.
Yeah, that's the point. But what I had it in automation was the heater, but like this Google the nest is called it, that you connected with the Wi-Fi, so then the room is heated, and you can do it with the phone, but then the device it doesn't work anymore. So that's why I'm having like a hard time.
The reason for that is that with the hot water, it uses a lot of power, so you can't use those devices. You had to put it on the circuit breaker. So. Yeah. The Nest is good if you want to turn off lights and turn on switches and stuff. Like, you know, yeah, but for hot water, I think you had to put it in the circuit breaker.
Nice.
The switchboard.
My boyfriend is calling me. We call him with the thoughts.
Hello, boyfriend.
Boyfriend, don't say it. He's gonna be like, why don't you have me on the live stream? Wait, I'm gonna lower the volume.
No, you're right.
Hi, sweetie.
Hello, sweetie.
How are you?
I'm good.
I'm happy. I'm good.
Why you're happy?
Because I see you.
I love you, sweetie. I'm so happy when I see you.
Linda, you are the best.
You're the best. Just want to jump and cut.
Me too.
The kids are here.
Oh, how are they?
Oh, yeah.
Like always.
Happy to see you.
Go and play now a little bit. Eat something.
Ah, that's good.
Good thing is I know they were not here for a long time, and then they go for a long time, so it's alright.
Yeah, it's like
Play a little bit and have some fun.
yeah. It's better when you know that you don't have enough time to enjoy. So then you enjoy more.
How's your day going?
Very good. Now I am finished working and I am going to practice. And I slept very good, and so it was good. Although I slept a little bit late.
Yeah, I saw the Nasdaq today during the language session.
How's work going? Okay.
Good, very good day today.
Yeah, it was a good one because it's the same setup.
Last night I bought gold, and this morning the S&P500. So, and then I had a meeting with one guy, which is I'm gonna learn something new that I don't know. A Chilean who lives in Nicaragua, so he was telling me that we should go. What are we doing in Switzerland? It's so expensive. He was like, move to a place like this.
Switzerland is beautiful.
No, yeah, I like it. I'm very happy there.
I thought yesterday I wanted to sell near at 3, the ones on Binance. And today it was like going back to 2.3 already. I'm like,
But you sold it?
no. I thought like, my plan was, in the beginning my plan was like I buy at 2 and sell at 3.
Yeah. And?
Finally it reached 3 and then I was like, well, everything goes down and here goes up. I'm not going to sell now.
What I'm seeing now is that actually like spot in Coinbase is buying again. So I think Bitcoin is gonna rebound. Because when Coinbase buys, that's very good.
But maybe just a little and then it goes down again.
Yeah,
Or
that's-
is like a good point to buy like a bit more, I think.
I saw that actually at 60,000 there is like a lot of buys, like a lot. Like when you see that kind of wall, like it always rebounds or gives some resistance. The same wall I saw at 82 when the price was dropping from there, and 126. So it's like I think like there are a lot of interested on that price.
Yeah, maybe I put the order at 61
Yeah, because it reacts before.
to buy like, I don't know, 2,000 Swiss francs.
Yeah, minimum.
3,000.
Yeah, that sounds good. And then if it goes to 40 or 50, then you buy 3 more.
I'm just waiting for the perfect time to entities. I can see the setup live, but today is one of those days where I was able to see the
I'm gonna get ready to practice and I call you after.
Okay, yes. Quite tired.
One day less without you, finally. So happy. Me too.
See you soon. Have a good practice.
Yes.
See you later.
You too, amorcito. See you later. Besito en tu corazón. Me too.
So by default, you can't create an alert of that indicator. So for some reason I was unable to do it. So I updated. I asked Claude to update the script so that to give me a proper confirmation with a big arrow. If the bearish swing failure point is lines up with the 250 and 20 moving averages.
Is that red arrow on there just for
No. The red arrow is the one that I just added while trading. But the one that I'm talking about is like the perfect trade for the trade to, like, if you're bullish, right, is for the 20 minute to be about the 50 and then both 20 and 50 to be about the 200.
Yeah.
That is the perfect setup to go bullish. And if the inverse, the other if you want to go bearish, it's the other way around. So I can
How long have you been trading like this method? Like, is it new? You've come up with this, or?
So Fan mentioned the swing failure point to me, and then I think maybe a month or something.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, but the thing is that I make profits of this method, and then I can't like, there's no self control in me, so I lose all of that by doing some of the dodgy stuff.
What method? RP? The swing failure patterns?
I don't try to focus on this stuff.
Yeah, I think fans back. Hang on. Oh, I think.
What method is the swing failure pattern? I just got in the
Sorry, you there, Fran?
What is the method that you said, RP?
Oh no, the one that I talk about, the 30-minute liquidity sweep and the 3-minute fair value gap.
Yeah, that's good. Like, that's why it's very good that you find your hedge. But actually, like, even in the S&P, it's perfect actually when you have like a sweep in the 30-minute.
Yeah, I was just telling James, I shared the chart in the channel that today I shorted Nasdaq.
Nice. Where did you short? Here?
Yeah. I put the chart on in the channel.
Ah, okay. I'm gonna check. Yeah.
Yeah, we had to turn you down, Fran, because we could hear your conversation.
That's good, you did.
Just out of respect, we'll just turn it down.
But at least
option to mute you, so I didn't know that.
gold is rebounding from that, right?
Yeah, I know. After I got taken out of bias, but yeah.
I hope that actually the S&P goes all the way to our take profit too, which will be all-time high. But there is a long way to go.
So Monday, we'll put in heavy lots on the S&P, alright?
Yeah. Beginning of the week. Well, this was the beginning of the week. And tomorrow, imagine, like, how is the week looking now?
Tomorrow's gonna be crazy.
Tomorrow. Even we had like a gap up this week, the last week. Every week, gap up, gap up.
But if you look at the S&P500, there are a lot of naked point of controls at the bottom, right?
Too many. At some point, it's gonna make a huge, I don't know.
Yes.
But the problem is that when you look at this chart, it's a banana chart. Look at that. Like, people get wrecked when they try to short this. I mean, at some point it could come and retest the trend line, right? But so far I think Hmm?
It has been bouncing in the 30-minute chart. It has been bouncing off the 200 moving average, and on 15th of May all the way to 19th of 20th of May there was more correction. It is something that we are seeing right now, and then it just goes bullish.
But fundamentally, when, like, for example, the S&P 500 corrects, it's like when we have, for example, after COVID, when we had like a lot of inflation because of the Fed policies, right? But now, what, I don't know if you read yesterday the chart I sent about the oil. Oil is pricing in that this war is temporary. Like I sent here this thing about Bloomberg analysis and the correlation, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, there is a divergence because, for example, when S&P 500 goes up and oil goes up at the same time, there is one that is wrong. And so far, the S&P 500 has been going up. So the market is pricing in that this war is temporary, I think. Right? Because the inflation could like dump the stock market. But I think that when the stock market has inflation because of the Fed policies, is more dangerous than when we have like inflation because of a war, because the oil prices are going up. It's a different kind of inflation, I think. That's why the market has been pumping anyways. So I think it still has room to keep going. Even if the war stops, that's even better. Anyways, I don't know if it...
I might have to get off. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning here.
Oh, wow. Yeah, me too. I'm going to practice yoga now. So I'm going to cut the call.
Yoga?
Yeah.
RP's got to get some sleep as well.
Yeah, I need to wake up at 8 or something.
8?
Oh, guys, you have to sleep.
Too late.
Okay, have a good
And
night.
What about Asia?
Yeah. Tomorrow I'm going to work from home, so hopefully we'll have enough trade for us.
Yeah, hopefully, yeah. Alright, well, it was good good chatting and stuff, and yeah, makes it more fun, I guess, yeah. So, yeah.
It's late.
Guys, good night.
Alright, I'll catch you all later.
Good
Thanks,
night,
man.
guys.
See you,
Have a good rest.
Cheers. Bye.